be working on this. Right, Mommy? Right? Daddy can come out and work on a truck, right?
No.
Right? Yeah?
You got a big head on you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
You have to say about big head.
Yeah.
Like I said,
A big
you
guy.
gotta raise that.
Yeah. Oh, look, get back here, Elias. He doesn't want to be on camera. Right. Was it a message? Who's Austin Beers?
No.
Come drive my car. Clutch feel okay?
It looks like a 6-inch door speaker. They screwed you.
I told that Puerto Ricans that you told about Ariat, and they all went and got Ariat.
Really?
Yeah. I was like, you little money bag motherfuckers. I'm like, I don't got the money to go get new ones right now, and you guys are all going and getting them.
No, they're fucking. Wow, this is a sweet one.
Yeah.
Size of this thing. Looks big.
Yeah, it's 61 plus.
You got a big head on you.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
You know what to say about big head.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Like I said,
A big
you
hat.
gotta raise that headrest up. You know?
I mean, honestly,
Because your helmet's like above it.
huh? The helmet's
The
above
bottom
it.
of the helmet's like.
It as far as like, it feels good. My head's not too far forward, and it's not. I don't wanna.
So you sit like that for an hour?
I don't want to sit it up anymore.
No, but I'm saying, could you sit like that for an hour? Do that all the way,
I can sit anywhere for an hour.
Yeah, but you're not.
I think it'd be.
Seat's not.
No, it's not like it's fucking pushing my neck forward. No, I think it's good. Doesn't matter because if Aaron's gonna come here and be like, I hate it.
Yeah.
I'll change everything.
Yeah.
I hate it. It feels good. That's fine. I'm gonna weld this thing in here, and if he hates it, then I guess he doesn't drive it.
Do it on the left side. Like, everything I'm going to do right now, I think, I'm just going to not do it on the left. Do it on the right, not do it on the right. Just to get the percentages up higher on the left. Yeah, black box, Andy, like third drawer down on the right. Just drawer all my tape measures. Bottom box. Right side, here, up in, there's one hole up here.
Yeah.
And then there's one in through the wheel well, and then one or two underneath. So he just never had these ones in here. And no, I really don't need it. No, we'll let him know the rest. Yeah, that was big combo, but that was 10 minutes. Typical GM. Man, you driving the truck, I'm like. Oh. Hey, Brandon, what are you doing in there?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You working on race cars? No. Soon we'll be working on this. Right, Mommy? Right? Daddy can come out and work on a truck, right?
No.
Right? Yeah? Let's see. Where is Andrew?
Look better?
Oh yeah, it looks way better. I just wanted the metal out because I was worried one of us would reach for something and get some nasty slivers.
Yeah.
You know, 'cause there's some gnarly shit beats in there from that the circle saw.
I can't move.
I had the freaking.
Hopefully that's where he wanted it. He said he wanted it center. Here, take this. He wanted it centered.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's fine. That's good. Boom.
Oh,
Take a look at yeah. Oh, get back here, Elias. Oh, he doesn't want to be on camera. Right. All right. So around shop night. Right, Andrew? Where the hell did you go? There you are. What are we, about a month away? Yeah, we're about a month away from the first race. So we're just gonna do a little update on what we're doing in the shop. Yeah, so actually we just got one of them sprayed. Chipperfoos. We gotta get logoed up, and this one's ready to rock. It'll be A1, and then we gotta get P1 sprayed. I'm gonna make you paint the car. Oh, okay. We'll try. We'll see what happens. What else we gotta do tonight? Were you amazed when you walked in the shop and saw that your engine was out?
Yes.
Your spare motor was out? Yeah, we were a little busy over the weekend. I was. And yeah, something you're doing what, Andrew?
Golfing.
Yeah, so took the K-frame out, took the tranny out. We had a spare, just like a junkyard motor. Literally, it's not fresh in the motor in the car, just so it was mobile over the winter time. But we didn't need it, so we had to pull it back out and obviously get his better motor in. It's just fresh. So they had to come out, and I wanted to see your face when you walked in and saw it. So I was a little, yeah. So I was a little busy the other night, pulling all of that out. It's a task to do by yourself, let me tell you. But yeah. So nope, we just want to do a little update because we haven't done an update in a little while. Again, we've been busy, so we will. We got to bend her out. We got to bend some new bumpers real quick. Inners, but yeah. So we got about a month to go. You're not racing Chemung this weekend, right? Yeah, Chemung's this weekend. So we're about a month out from our first race right now, and then yeah, we'll get them ready. We'll just do a little update video. Maybe we'll put some other stuff in here that we've been filming while we've been working in the shop, but so maybe I'll just throw some of that stuff in there too in the video. But we'll give a little update. So one's in paint, ready to get lettered, ready to rock and roll, and then we gotta get P1 ready for him. We gotta get it in paint, gotta get the motor back in quick, and then get her in paint, get her lettered up, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. Maybe we're gonna do a test session. Knock on wood, right? So you gotta get the mod out too. You gotta get the sport mod out and get some laps in. Yeah, but I don't. These guys don't want to Perry for the first race they ever try. So Andrew's gonna be, like I said in our earlier video, Andrew's gonna be in P1 this year, and then in fresh from Chipper Foos's house, A1. It's not logoed up yet. it's gonna be 2 brand new rookies that have never raced before this year. So I guess that'll be interesting. It'll be interesting content to see how they do and what they do. So, but that's, you know, that's the cool part of this, is like guys that never raced before try it. So we'll be back. Stay tuned. All right, today is paint. What is it? Paint. Today's Sunday, and it is paint day. Someone's going to DA the rear bumper, right? We got to DA the rear bumper, and then where the heck are you, Andrew? Oh, there you are. We're gonna tape it up and do the best redneck paint job we can do, right? It's actually a real high-tech paint job. Spray paint. It's our secret, but we're gonna try to record this a little bit and see how it goes.
You gonna DA the headlights and taillights or no?
Oh, it's probably your dad. You time that one. Was it a message? Who's Austin Beers?
No.
Come drive my car.
He's actually not racing the Tom Wannick race.
Oh. Okay. You wear that compressor out. They're coming. Getting ready for paint. Andrew's gonna do his best Chip Foose impression on this one. Did you find out who Chip Foose was yet?
No.
Oh, dang. Well, it's a few hours later. Our GoPro crapped out, so I'm sorry about that. We were trying to do a time lapse, and the batteries on these little buggers don't last as long as you think they do. Even though it said 5 hours, that was not the case. So we were trying to do our first time lapse. We wanted to show everybody taping it up, spraying it. Yes, we actually just spray bomb these things. They're just race cars, everyone. We were trying to do a time lapse, Andrew and I, and yeah, we thought we had plenty of time on this, and that was not the case. So sorry about that, but she is sprayed. We're waiting for the letters or all the vinyl this week to logo them up, but then we'll get them together. So he had to go home. I had to take Andrew home because it's a school day tomorrow. So yeah, we didn't want to keep him up too late, but it's not that late. But it's still light out, and we're getting ready to farm. But yeah, she's sprayed, so we're gonna take the tape off, and I figure I'll let the little guy do that. He was pretty excited. He wanted to do that Wednesday night and shop night, so we'll let him tape it up, or yeah, tape it up. Take the tape off, and then it'll be like his joy, I guess, for being cheap slave labor for the day. So yeah, we'll take it, then we'll maybe do a shot of what it looks like better, but let it dry for a little bit. Satin clear. Last year we had issues with our vinyl not sticking to this gold stuff. This gold's like just a crazy metallic. It looks awesome under the lights. And that's why we keep doing it. And we stick with gold because if people are wondering why we use gold, it's because gold was my grandfather's color when he raced back in the 50s, or had a race car back in the 50s. We should probably do an episode, excuse me. I had dinner and something's not a green. But back in the 50s when my grandfather had race cars, they were the Golden Bomb. The Golden Bomb. And, you know, that's why they're gold. It's the only color we could go with. But the spray paint metallics just look awesome under the lights. And well, that's why we do it. We thought of wrapping, but they come out looking good. And the race cars, they get banged up. We were replacing panels all the time. You know, we skinned quarters this winter, so we continue to do what we know works. So we'll get more shots. We'll get this thing put together. This one's gonna be ready to fire up pretty soon. And like I said, we're like 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks out right now from the first race, but we're almost there. It'll come quicker than you know. So, like I said, I apologize for that camera dying thing. Don't ever trust computers, I guess, because it did take 5 hours and we thought we were good to go, and we're gonna try our first cool time lapse, and nope, didn't work. So, apologize, but on to the next project. See you guys later.